welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. But surprise, it's a little bit longer than 2 minutes. And what am I talking about? Well, I will be teaching my first in-person workshop here at Cheap Joe's in August. So we will have a 3-day live in-person workshop, August 29th, 30th, and 31st. That workshop is called Expanding Your Watercolor Vocabulary, Adventures in Abstract Expression. It is a beginner level watercolor workshop and it is experimental and abstract. So its intention is to play around with different techniques and kind of expand the vocabulary of different things that you can do with your watercolor. So it's basically created to be like a no pressure environment where you can play and experiment and try new things and stuff like that. So I hope you will join us. There is information available on our website. If you simply go to our website and in the search box, you can just type workshops and it'll bring up an entire list. We have 3 other live in-person workshops scheduled this season in addition to mine with other artists. And then we have a whole bevy of different online workshops that are currently available. We have spaces open. Check them out. Lots of great instructors, wonderful learning experiences ready to take advantage of. So check them out right now. Cheap Joe's workshops are back. So thank you for watching and we hope that you enjoy, and sign up now.